Ionic 2 is essentially a rewrite of the already very successful Ionic 1 framework. So why did the Ionic team create this new version? There are several reasons. First, Ionic 2 is built on top of Angular 2, which is a significant departure from Angular 1. Building on top of Angular 2 enables Ionic 2 to benefit from numerous enhancements, including performance increases, a more standard way of writing and building apps, particularly if you're using TypeScript, including dependency injection, components, and modules. The first version of the Ionic framework utilized UI Router. While this is certainly a powerful router for Angular 1 apps, the navigation in Ionic 2 is overhauled to be much more powerful and flexible using a navigation stack in a natural way to move from screen to screen. Another new feature in Ionic 2 is automatic platform theming. For example, the framework will detect if you're on an Android device and render an Android-style theme, and similarly, an iOS-style theme if you're on an iOS device. You'll see numerous examples of that throughout this course. The Ionic team continues to improve the build system that they provide, utilizing tools like Gulp for building, serving, and live reload, TypeScript for compilation, Sass for CSS compilation, and NPM for package management. Ionic 2 makes developing a mobile app truly enjoyable. The Ionic team has looked at optimizing every aspect of performance for Ionic 2 as compared with Ionic 1. Some examples include aggressive caching for much better screen navigation performance, and virtual lists to enable scrolling of extremely long lists to have native-like performance. Without a doubt, Ionic 2 is an extremely compelling new version of the framework. If you are currently using Ionic 1, I already have a course in the Pluralsight library dedicated to the first version of Ionic. That is a course you should watch if you're already building an Ionic 1 app. However, if you're about to start an Ionic 2 app or already have, this course is the place you want to be. In fact, the app we'll build in this course is similar, but not identical to the app built in the first course. I did this intentionally for the people that are migrating so they can see how things have changed. However, this isn't a migration course. We're covering Ionic 2 from scratch in this course. So if you have no previous experience with Ionic, that's fine too. This course is the right starting place if you're starting out with Ionic 2 today.